Air Greenland gives our aircraft names that matter. Names that tell the story of where we come from and where we're heading. Our first widebody carried the name Norsark, the throwing board, the tool that gave Greenland its first true long-range reach. Then came Dukak, the harpoon tip, the force and precision of our Airbus 330neo. Today we write the next chapter. Our new Airbus 320neo receives a name from the same family, a name that completes the story. Unak, the harpoon shaft, the element that carries the power forward and connects throwing board and tip. The piece that lets Norsark launch and Dukak strike true. Just like our new 320neo. A name born of our culture, lifted by our history, created to carry us forward. Air Greenland presents Unak, our new Airbus 320neo.